Hello and welcome to the art show. This is a coloring lesson on a airplane. I'm doing a airplane, and so enjoy this video. This is series coloring show series 7. Okay, here's the airplane that I'm working on. It's one of my favorites. It is a Pitts, and it's one of my favorite airplanes. I'm doing this with I'm doing it with a pencil. Well, I'm doing it with a color pencil, as you can see. I've been doing art for over 30 plus years, and I like to do art. I like to do painting and coloring. What this is? This is coloring. I like to do coloring and all of that. I like to do, um, painting and everything like that. But yeah, I drew this airplane. Yeah, I like the Pitts airplane because I like how they do those aerobatics. Notice I'm saying in my lines. That's what I'm doing. Staying right in my lines. There we go. That's the main thing, is just to stay in your lines when you're doing something like this. You don't have to do an airplane. You can do a boat or a car. You don't have to do an airplane if you don't want to. I just did this so I can show you guys what I'm doing. What you draw and what you color is totally up to you. But I like to do this kind of stuff. I've been doing art, like I said, for over 30 plus years. That's how long I've been doing this kind of stuff. Um, to tell you a story, um, I took arts and crafts in school. And one of the things I had to learn to do is doing crafts was I had to take pottery. And pottery is where you just make things out of clay. And so in elementary school, I was making things out of clay. And so one day I had to make something out of clay, and I don't know what I made, but I think I made a mess. Pottery is not that easy for me to do. Um, Not sure I'm going to do pottery on my show, but because pottery is kind of messy, you know. I also did woodworking in school too. I did woodworking when I got in high school. I did woodworking in high school. Made something for my mom out of wood, made a heart. But also in elementary school, I took up. I also did basket weaving. Basket weaving was kind of fun to do. That was fun. Basket weaving and oh, I know. I made pot holders. Ah, making pot holders. That was a lot of fun to do. I'm just cutting this very lightly so you can see what I'm doing. But that's what I used to do in arts and crafts in school. And I did drawing and sketching in school too. But I also, also took woodworking. With woodworking, you have to be very careful. But I did sketching and drawings in school. That was a lot of fun to do. But that pottery, that pottery's it's different. Pottery just a little bit different than the other, but it's okay though. There we go. Okay, I think that's going to do it. Uh, subscribe and like, and thanks for watching.